Here's the app called MixCaptions, video captions, subtitles, and closed captioning. So yeah, you can just tap Get to install it. So just double click to install in here. And yeah, that's just what you have. Automatically caption your videos and get accurate, elegant video with text on screen is a secret to getting people to stop scrolling and watch your videos. Create automatic, accurate subtitles. For influencers and business founders, closed caption is one of the most important steps before posting video content. Accessibility for all. Caption your next video for free. Transcribe longer videos, edit video captions, display captions anywhere in your videos, load your own fonts. So that's the idea. And then yeah, you can just get started. You can then just use it. Select the correct language, get notified, and then subscribe to transcribe more videos. And then you can just try to generate. And then it's just preparing audio, as you can see. So yeah, now it's available, and then you can see you can export the captions just in SRT file, or you can add new caption, you can change the style. For example, in here is the app called Image Play. So that's the, and now you can see the captions for the video. Pretty cool. And then you can just save it and share. So very handy, nice app. You need to upgrade to use it in more ways. So that's the idea.